Hi and welcome. In this video I'll be doing an unboxing and review of this new BEEGROW vacuum suction car phone mat. It's made for Magsafe. So we'll open up the package, see what's inside. Looks like it's well packaged. Goes this way. So here is the mount. Looks like there's a couple of magnets that I guess you could stick to a non-mag phone. A little manual and some wipes to clean the surface of your phone or mount for these guys. So let's take a look at it. It says it's a carbon steel. Looks to be very well made. Solid. It's a vacuum mount, so remove this protective. At this time it's sticky. So here we can see how it goes on this desk. And then to mount, you turn it to lock it in. And there's no way I could pull that off. Here's a mag mount phone. It has a case and it sticks really solid. The mount allows you to rotate the phone any way you want. And then move it all around. All kinds of angles, and has a full rotation, which is very, very nice. And as mentioned already, if you don't have a Magsafe phone, you can stick these onto your phone or other device. So really strong grip on this surface. And then to unlock the suction, turn it and then pull the suction off. And I guess if you're going to use it a lot of places, keep this for now to keep it clean. So let's go try it in the vehicle right now. So I'm now in our 2025 Honda Pilot, so let's try this. The surface not completely flat, has a little bit of texture to it, but let's see how it works there. So stick it on, turn the dial to lock it in, and oh yeah, it's solid on there. Then add the phone, sticks really nice, so could be rotating it any way you want. And if you wanted to do any vlogging while driving and touring the country, you could use it like that to talk, or reverse the camera. Use it more like a dash cam. So with this surface, it keeps the phone nice and steady. It looks to be very solid. Obviously, you could also attach it to your windshield. Nice and solid there. Could be used as a dash cam, or flip your phone and use it to record you inside the vehicle. So it seems to be very solid. Could install it here, could install it on the side. And if you're in this car, we have a good infotainment system, so probably won't use it like that, but certainly a good way to keep the phone in a nice position, whether you're using it for GPS, maps, just playing your music or whatever, it'll work. So I like that a lot. So it really sticks well. So here I am in our Polaris Ranger UTV side by side, and this is the mount I've been using for the longest time. Works great. Bought this before when I didn't have a mag phone, and it worked great, but it works with the mag phone also. But let's try the other one. This has been on here forever and it's been sticking really well. So now with the Magphone mount, we put it on the exact same way, stick it on the dashboard here. Oops, remove the film, of course. Turn to lock it. It's super strong. Add the phone. And again, use it. In this case, we don't have any infotainment system, so definitely would be using it for maps. But you can also use it as a dash cam here too if you wanted to, if you're filming your driving and anything else. So I think this is where we're going to be using it a lot. Super solid. So now let's just see about other uses for this. So here's another use in the bathroom. Just like I said, any smooth surface sticks like crazy. If you like to listen to YouTube videos while doing whatever you do in the restroom, preparing yourself, watching reviews like this one, then you could use it here, use it on the mirror. Or just use it on the flat surface, such as this. Lock it into place and do whatever you do in shaving, whatever, watching videos. Lots of uses for this mount, which again is super strong. So here, let's try it on a textured wall. This is drywall with a texture drywall finish on it. So let's see how it works here. And again, there's no way I could pull that off. So here you can see then, you can just attach the phone and it works on a not completely flat surface. So that's really, really good. Use it on any flat surface as mentioned. Use it in the kitchen. Stick it wherever you want. If you're cooking, you can follow some recipes. Use it on your counters, on your cabinets, and also at your desk. Any flat surface. Stick it on, turn the dial, super solid. Add your phone and rotate it any way you want, up and down. Turn it any direction you want. So useful at your desk. It's nice and safe, really, really solid. So this now concludes my review of the BEEGROW magnetic phone holder for car, or as I shown, for many uses. I'm sure you could find some of your own, whether it be the gym, workshop, wherever. So I think it's really, really nice. It sticks really well. It's compact. You can fold it up. You could stick it in your pocket if you want to. Bring it anywhere you want. Very solidly made. Has a lot of features as far as rotation and everything. And again, designed for Magsafe phone. But if you don't have it, you can use these discs to stick onto your phone, and that'll stick onto there. So I'm really happy with this product and glad I had a chance to review it. We'll get a lot of use out of it and might have to buy another one. So this concludes this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.